The business?
We gotta do the business. We gotta do the business.
I would buy one, but the prices got really crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna,
Hello.
so we're gonna do some grinding. We're welding, grinding, because you gotta weld the vendors.
Welding, grinding, sanding.
Yep. And
We might hit some shit with a hammer.
if that's what floats your boat.
Yeah.
The other thing that we're gonna
Or
do
flops
is
your mop.
We're gonna start. I can't find anybody to hand the dash off
And
to
I figured out the
restore
story
elsewhere
on
in the
a
club.
membership.
So I cleaned up this table. We're gonna
It's
move
auto
the doors a
renew
little bit
and it's
brighter,
March.
and we're gonna start
So-
restoring the dash.
That's the table that was rescued from the dumpster, by the way.
So we can break into three groups: a smaller group doing welding and grinding, a group doing sanding, and we'll go from there. Yeah, we'll start on the dash tonight. We're gonna be, it'll be in
Well, I
there a
only
little
show
bit.
up when
'Cause
Andre
we're
asks
trying
me
to
to
see
come.
it. Makes sense? Any questions? And guys, I thank you for
Woo.
coming. I haven't said that in a while. I really enjoy doing this.
Pay attention to class.
You guys, I really, really do. And I see a lot of the same faces all the time, and it's wonderful seeing you. It's wonderful that you show up, and it's been fun for me. I hope it's been fun for you. Well, except for you, you're a little stressful, isn't it? No kidding. Anyway, that's about it. Does anybody have any questions? I've mentioned that was important. Comments, concerns?
How's it coming along with parts for the engine? Or
Ooh, who made the atomic
that's a
auto
good
light bright?
question.
Sorry, I went squirrel.
Okay, that's a good question.
Wow.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
We're gonna have to start a parts list, a bill of materials, because we have expensive items that we have to buy. Like a windshield, which is $400, like the side trim, which is another $400. And I'm trying to find another engine, because this one should be bored out. But I can tell you that the engine work that we would do to that is gonna be about $700, and the pistons are another $250. We'll have $1,500 in the engine. So I'm trying to find another engine, which is a tall order. But hopefully we can find that. We're probably going to have to get creative when it comes to financing here shortly. Yes.
is it possible that when you have a list of what the dollar amounts are, that people could?
I could sell one of my jock straps on Twitter.
I'll pay for the boring. somebody
I was
else-
gonna say, is Andre having an OnlyFans?
I do have an OnlyFans, but I'm not gonna.
Oh my
Okay, and
god.
I'm perfectly okay with that. It's
I try to check the board thing. and maybe-
Every ex-porn actor has an OnlyFans.
well, yeah. Well, that's the other thing. I am talking to O'Reilly's about getting the club a discount. So,
Yeah.
but we'll have to have membership cards.
Membership
What?
cards?
But I would be
Nothing.
interested for
Nothing.
paying for
He's
I
just
look
ram-
over at her and she's always.
Andre's.
It's never just a face. There's always something going on.
Sorry.
Anyway,
Andre was
better.
I'm hanging
disgusting.
out with trouble,
oh well, yeah, that's
why.
true.
Trouble?
That's why this would make the most amazing reality.
But anyway, yeah. So we're working on that. Back
I
in
know
the
there's a lot of them out
day
there,
in
but
Detroit, we had
there's room for
Detroit
one, yeah.
rockers engaged in the abolition of disco, which was a dread card. So we need something like that for Great Autos members to flash the poor counter girls. When they.
I've been in there. I wouldn't
discounts for
flash
parts.
any of those. I knew
So mean.
the clowns in the back would like that.
You're so mean, Mr. Beer, whatever.
Yeah, it's me.
Okay.
Mr. Backwaxer.
Anyway,
No.
but anyway, that's one of the things that we're working on. And we can talk a
Groovy.
little bit more about that later. But let's get going.
All right. Somebody get.
Hey, somebody grab this end of the table. We're gonna put it over here.
Ah! All right. Who's grinding? Who's sanding? Who's gonna play with the welder?
No existential.
I left.
No, it's Tuesday now.
I left our scanner.
Oh, I was gonna text you too, and I
You
forgot.
want me to? I can run over and get it.